So I know you can't really see our faces, but we are right here. Excuse the mess. I know my house is kind of messy, but we are gonna go ahead and do a little taste test real quick.
Someone that's afraid to let go. You decide if you're ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide if you ever try to let go. I'm sad and know, yeah, I'm sad.
We have onions.
Hey, would you hold it up? Hold it up to the camera. Don't.
We have chopped up onions. We have tomatoes. We have 2 tomatoes. And we have pepper.
Make sure you hold it like in front of the lens, like.
It's a green one.
So you can't see it.
And we have chicken.
You know, I'm gonna help you out.
Chicken. Have sour cream. And we have Mexican cheese. We have mozzarella cheese.
Tortillas.
And we have tortillas.
Yes. And hopefully, I don't know if y'all can see me. Oh my god, that's close. Okay, so the next, basically, and we have our cutting board. The next thing we are about to do, if you don't know, we're making quesadillas. You can call it veggie quesadillas or just quesadillas. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash the chicken off in the sink, and then I'm gonna chop it up, and then I'm gonna start frying it up in the pan, and then we will be back.
Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. He's been waiting, he's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if I'll make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh, I am a.
So while I'm cutting this up, my daughter's gonna go ahead and turn the stove on, only with parent supervision and if I'm in here with her. Olive oil in there, like that. Get it all. You gotta hold when you do it. You have to hold this. Yep, now go ahead and if you do cook, if you're under the age and if you do cook, make sure your parents are around to help and everything like that. And like I said, guys, sorry about the light. Salt, okay? Pour it all over the chicken. All over. Alright. Pepper. Okay. Seasoned salt, hold it up, show them. Okay. Dump it all in there. Alright. Then take this again and stir it all around. Yep, get it all good. We want to get it all coated with the seasoning. So, and leave that there. While that's doing that, we are going to come back over here and I'm going to start chopping up the veggies. We already got our onions, so I'm just going to probably wash these off and that's good. Put these back in the fridge until we're ready for them. And I'm not the best cutter or anything like that, you guys. So I already like washed it off. So I'm probably just going to go in like that.
Stay down to the brown, 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 brown. Stay down to the dancing, oh 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 dancing. Stay down to the dancing, dancing, dancing. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer.
I hope the kids like the veggies. When the meat is done, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these on the stove for a little bit.
If the popcorn goes on fire, you have to close them.
Alright, you're just gonna let this cook. Turn it up a little bit more. Let that finish cooking. Now, chicken is looking good. It's almost about done. I'm just gonna let it brown a little longer. Lovely veggies, looking so pretty and bright. Alright, like, come on, bring the chicken over, like.
Okay.
Alright.
Is that all cut up?
Put some chicken on the side. Try to hold your hand. Yep, put it on this side, on this side, on this side.
Oh.
Alright, then we're gonna call it some more cheese.
I'm finally clean the mess up.
Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. He's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if he'll make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how.
Greg, you want more meat? Hurry. So don't cook faster.
I'll stay down to the ground.
Hurry.
Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the ground. Stay down to the dancing.
Favorite part? My favorite part is
Black, more chicken.
Say, oh, I am a believer.
Hold up. Why making her miss
Don't know
something?
how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead. Oh, I am a believer.
There's a lie in it.
Ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee 'cause I believe. I'll stay down to the ground.
Add the whole circle, add chicken to the whole
Stay
circle.
down to the ground.
Go ahead, keep adding, keep adding.
Stay down to the ground.
Yep, add a lot of chicken, add all over the circle. We all put you and your circle down already.
Stay down to the dancing.
Not that, my shit gonna get burnt for real. Look at that, it's burnt, like. That's what I didn't want.
what?
It ain't that burnt, but you know.
It's cheesy, but
Yeah, we on the brown side.
I could call it cheesy burger. Because it's so cheesy. Now it's my favorite part.
I don't know, but I'm definitely getting that shit. That shit's too burnt. There, that's better.
Like that.
Lot better.
Ground beneath my feet, but I don't flee 'cause I believe. Say, oh, I am a believer.
Alright, so I know you can't really see our faces, but we are right here. Excuse the mess. I know my house is kind of messy, but we are going to go ahead and do a little taste test real quick. So, better yet. Yeah. Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3. This is how it looks.
It's good. That's really good.
Really good. What do you rate it?
I give it 100.
I give it down to
What? Watch out, I see. I give it 100. It's bomb. Pretty good. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video with the chicken quesadillas with vegetables in it, or veggie quesadillas, or whatever you want to call it. It's really good. Sorry I didn't do an intro. I wanted to just get right started with the video. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more cooking videos like this. I will be starting a cooking series on my channel. And I love you guys so much. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.